How to download your Facebook photos all at once. So if you want to download all of your Facebook photos at once, then first open up your Facebook application and go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon. Go for the settings, which has that gear shaped icon, and then scroll down, and here you may have download your information option. Tap on download your information, tap on continue, and it will take you to the account center. And under here you will have download or transfer information. Tap on that button and then choose Facebook and tap on next, and then tap on specific types of information, and here you need to go for post. And once you've chosen post, tap on next and then tap on download to device, and again tap on next, and here choose the email in which you would like to get notified, and then your format and your media quality, and then tap on create files. And that's it, your information has been requested, and now within 1 or 2 hours or within 24 hours your information will be ready to download. So that's how you can download your Facebook photos all at once, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.